Hello, everybody. My name's Chris Potter, and I worked for 35 years at PwC, and I spent the last 9 years of my career before retiring in 2021. I spent those 9 years leading the technology and offshoring components of PwC UK's audit transformation program. I'm delighted to be engaging with you on day one of the Inflo customer conference, and I'll be engaging with you about audit transformation and about some of the key challenges that audit firms face when implementing technology, and in particular around things like behavioural change. How do you make change stick when people are very, very busy? What kinds of technology should you be applying? And what should your approach be to outsourcing, offshoring, and other options for improving processes?